Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Sangeeta Mehta and you're watching my channel, my English magazine. Today I explain to you gerund, and this is my English magazine. In this I explain to you gerund. This magazine explain every aspects of gerund. Every page reveals the gerund. What is the gerund? Now I give you a simple definition about the gerund. A noun formed from a verb such as the ing form of an English verb when used as a noun. Description: a gerund is any of various non-finite verb forms various languages, most often but not exclusively one that functions as a noun. In English, it has the properties of both verb and noun, such as being modifiable by an adverb and being able to take a direct object. The term ing form is often used in English to refer to the gerund, especially officially. Traditional grammar makes a distinction within ing form between present participles and gerund as gerunds a distinction. Now, a gerund is any of various non-finite verb forms in various languages, most often but not exclusively one that functions as a noun. In English, it has the properties of both verb and noun, such as being modifiable by an adverb and being able to take a direct object. The term ing form is often used in English to refer to the gerund, specifically traditional grammar makes a distinction within ing forms between present participles and gerunds, a distinction that is not observed in such as modern grammars. A comprehensive grammar of the English language and the Cambridge grammar of the English language. Examples: sentences of gerund. The gerund form of the meaning to exist in a certain state or location. The gerund form of between meaning to someone or something in precious stones. The gerund form of brave meaning the action of entering or facing difficult or dangerous conditions. Gerund example, meaning and use in sentence. Gerund are verbs that end in ing but function as noun. Many sentences can include a gerund meaning that gerunds can function as subjects, direct object, indirect object, objects of prepositions, and predicate nouns. Take a look at some gerund examples in sentences and see how easily you can identify these helpful parts of speech. Gerund used as example. Subject. Reading is direct object. She considered guillotine. Indirect object. My mother spent her life identifying gerund in a sentence. Gerunds, gerund and gerund phrases which are hello guys, welcome back. You're watching my channel, my English magazine. This is a magazine on gerund and I explained to you about the gerund. Thank you.